Away, it's Nay. Welcome to Nay-Nays Kitchen. And today we are bringing the vibes with
chicken wrap.
Yeah, Shamane will go through the ingredients. She's the host.
Again, yo. Ish. Alright. So we have salt. Pepper, salt, tomato, 1 egg, mayonnaise. She will explain. Lettuce. I don't know how many chickens, but
Chicken pellets. Sliced, diced.
Strips of chicken. 2 wraps and oil and Parmalat cheese. Explain.
This is homemade chilies made in sweet chilies made in Nay-Nays Kitchen. Yes. So now what are we starting with?
Please put on the soap. 5.
Yo, am I turning it off or on?
On 5. Okay, put it on. Okay, no. No. Add the oil.
All of the oil.
I assume so.
Since I talk all the time, today I won't be saying anything. She will just be guiding me through how am I doing the things.
Yes. Alright. So, you are going to crack your egg. That's ada picky salt, picky pepper dah. Ini ada picky ya.
Then,
Okay. So now you're going to wet that fork. I would assume. Yes, I would assume. We are both learning. You're going to take your chicken or take your hand or whatever. Take your chicken, like roll it in your flour. Put in your egg. Oh, let me get you like a plate or something.
just rinse that one. And then, they'll be back in the flour.
Yes.
How much flour am I setting here on? Is that enough?
Yeah, I guess so.
You assume so. And then I must do that thing until all the...
Yes.
Is it flour first and then egg and then flour?
Yes. But you must be fast now.
No, me, I'm not fast, brah.
But okay.
Now my fingers look like somebody just wants. Am I doing a good job, teacher?
But you're a bit slow though. The oil is heated up.
Yeah, you can just put the stuff in the...
You need all of your chicken to be done so you can put it in. Let's go. Hurry up slowly, hurry up slowly.
Yeah, that's the phrase.
Okay.
Yeah, you can.
I'm adding the chicken into the oil. And while you're dipping your chicken into your flour and egg, your oil should be getting hot. You should be actually doing this, Bernice.
Yeah, but I was taking time, so.
Plus, you are doing good, teacher. So how long does this have to cook here for? Until it is golden brown. You can continue. Thank you very much. Not my job. Oh, okay, Bernice, so that is right. Okay, I'm gonna put it on a plate.
Do we really need to have such a big dong, bruh?
Sorry. It never does. It hates me at this point because it's forever falling. It's right. Yeah, it's right. I have it. I want it. Give, man. You want to burn me.
Maak vanoggend. My father.
Do you want to eat raw thing?
There's nothing raw, it's right. If you get sick, it's fine. Okay, and what now?
And now, you are going to take your wraps. Right? And you're going to put your mayonnaise. So spread it all over. Less. Throw the whole thing on, girl. Ooh, so much. You said I must throw.
Is it just going in the center of the whole thing?
Oh. Okay, well, the center is also fine. Oh. It doesn't really matter.
Actually.
Yeah, not really.
Yeah, well, I wouldn't know. I don't cook. And then we add the right? Can I use that same spoon?
Oh, not so much. Oh.
We want the spice. We don't want the chili on me.
So gonna fall out either way.
No, we don't want it to fall out. Nah, but this is not enough.
Of what?
Of spice.
No,
There's a lot of
leave
mayonnaise
it.
on this one. Ileta.
What does later mean?
Later means give.
Okay?
Yo.
I don't know what does take me.
When do you want to add your cheese?
You need to add cheese.
Oh, you don't want cheese?
Okay, no, we can add cheese. It's fine.
Like, it sounds like there's a bunch of bees outside.
Can put the cheese. Okay, we'll put the cheese at the bottom. We'll cut it with a knife.
Why do you need a knife? Use your hands.
See, don't even. It must be even. But it's fine.
You.
Hey.
I've been through this many times during my school lunch times where your cheese is just, decides, let me break.
Uh,
Add a nice long piece so that you can.
I counted the chicken strips and there is 8 here, so it can serve. We have 4. You can serve 4 people or 2 people. So yeah, that piece. And what piece? This one. Nice. Yeah.
No.
Okay. Now
Now you're going to add your.
I thought I was the learner doing everything. Where does this? Okay, salt. Some salt, not too much, not too little. Okay, that was a bit. Okay, that one got it up. Sorry, whoever's gonna try that one. Then you add your lettuce. Yeah. Okay. We don't want to drown in. So how do you fold it? I'm just following it. I don't know what that may be. So does it have to fit like a button? Do you not fold it at the ends? I'm just asking.
No, sometimes breaks. See.
Okay, you don't need to. We are going to tie these two together by putting it in the pan. Okay, we're gonna see how it looks with the spatula. It looks alright. So now we're gonna take it out. Just look at that. Okay. I think I'm gonna put a little oil. So now we're gonna put the other one in. Hopefully this one doesn't take long. Oh, cameraman came to rescue for this one. Slay him. I think it's right. Our lettuce fell out, but it's fine. So now you turn off your stove. And this actually looks nice. Alright, and yes, this is the finished product. Thank you, Shamane, for the help.
It's a pleasure. And you guys can do it at home. It's simple and easy, like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, like
Wow.
that's a wow.
And then like and subscribe and comment down below. Thank you for watching. This is Nay-Nays Kitchen. And now we whip. And now we nay-nay. We whip. And now we nay-nay.
Thank you.